All right, it's RAS 7330. We've got it set up to do a quick bend on a piece of sheet metal. I think we're going to do what, 2 movements, 3 bends?
Yeah, 3 bends.
3 bends total. So
Back gauge coming in right now.
I'm gonna tilt between the material we're bending right here and a control to show how it's progressing.
Back gauge takes a second.
So you did the first bend was at what, 45, and now you're doing a 30? Back gauge is moving up to the next bend, pushing the material to its position.
I'm sure there's speed adjustment for that.
Just a slow speed reading.
Yeah, we've got it in slow speed because we don't want anything crazy to happen.
Here's clamp. Too hard. That was a 30. And we'll come in, do a 90 here. Ron, can you flip that material once? Good, here it goes. Here comes the back gauge. You're gonna stay? Maybe just hold it until I clamp it. It's almost there. Just hold it and I'll clamp it down. There you go. And the bend. 90 degrees. Grab it.
So you got 30, 45, and a 90. There you go. Thank you.